Hi, welcome to the Brain Book channel. I'm Amir, and in this video I want to talk about the brain stem. As we said, the brain has three different parts, including the cerebellum, and the brain stem. What is the brain stem? Brain stem is the part of the brain that lies at the base of the cerebellum, okay, and connects the brain to the spinal cord. And it includes three main parts, including the midbrain here, the pons here, and the medulla oblongata here. These three parts totally forms the brain stem. The midbrain is a part of brainstem and located between the diencephalon here, diencephalon or thalamus, and the pons. It's the midbrain and contains bundles of myelinated fibers that convey impulses to and from the higher parts of the brain from here and masses of a gray matter that serve as a reflex center. This part of the brain stem contains center for auditory and visual reflexes. It has a very complex structure with a range of different neurons cluster and different neuronal pathways, and also it facilitates various functions from hearing and movement to calculating responses and environmental changes in our body. The midbrain contains some parts that are named substantia nigra. These parts contains dopaminergic neurons that play a very important role in the Parkinson disease. And when the cells here, the dopaminergic neurons, degenerate and lose their activity, it's susceptible to face with the Parkinson diseases. And this part in the midbrain is very important, substantia nigra, for the Parkinson diseases. And it also contains some parts of the basal ganglia that enables movement and coordination in our body. Here is the midbrain, and all here is the brain stem. About pons. Pons is another part of the brain stem which is named as a bridge in Latin, and it is connection between the midbrain and the medulla here. It is the origin of 4 of our 12 cranial nerves and transmit impulses between the brain and spinal cord. The pons enable a range of activities, for example, tear production, chewing, blinking, focusing vision, balance, hearing, and facial expression. Also, it contains centers that regulate the rate and depth of breathing. And for example, if this part was injured, we will face with problem in our breathing. Another part of the brain stem is medulla oblongata, which is located here between the midbrain and the spinal cord, and where the brain, the medulla oblongata here is a place where the brain meets the spinal cord. It's essential for our survival, and it transmits all ascending and descending impulses between the brain and cord. Spinal cord. The medulla oblongata regulate many bodily activities, including heart rhythm, breathing, blood flow, and oxygen and carbon dioxide level. Also, it produces reflexive activities including sneezing, vomiting, coughing, and swallowing. The medulla oblongata is vital because it's very important for living, because it controls the heart rhythm, breathing. Uh, yeah, it's very essential for living. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think it was helpful, please subscribe my channel and support me to make more and more videos. Thank you. See you later. Bye.